Grace.
What?
Oh, let me tell you about Emma Grace. Bruh.
Hey.
I gotta tell you about your neighbor's kid.
Hey.
Emma Grace ate sour grapefruit with me today.
You ate
She was
grapefruit?
tearing it up until it got in her eye.
Girl.
It was so juicy that it squirted everywhere.
No. It was good, huh, girl? It was good. Yeah. You're so silly. Hey. Ray to see you. Ray to see you. Your sister see you.
She said woof woof.
Woof, 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 woof. That's the noise Ray to make. He make that noise. Oh.
Undo? Never. Let's go. We can't stay here.
Oh,
You're right, Papa.
About what?
The world. It's nothing but mud puddles and pollution and weeds. Look, even the weeds are dying.
Hey, kid.
What?
Look up. You want to know something, kid?
What, Papa?
This world has a lot of problems.
We watch it tomorrow. Go Emma. Go Emma. Go Ellie. Go Ellie. Go Emma. There you go.
Yeah, you can't get me.
Careful.
Yes!
There you go. Got it. Whoa.
Got it.
Got it.
Emma, you can't.
Okay. It's nothing more fun than playing ball in the house, right? Slippery slope.
Got you. You got me.
As long as it's softball. That's not a softball, but a soft. Like Nerf. Or
Look at it.
soft beach ball. Like this one.
Show it. Show it.
It's only a matter of time somebody gets a baseball.
You hit me in the head.
Hopefully not. Whoa. But so far so good. You. Thank you. Woo. Whoa. Whoa. Uh-oh, it's behind you.
I got hot.
Whoa. Here you go, Emma. Woo. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Woo. Whoa.
Yes.
There it is.
Knock down. Knock down.
So I've been thinking about what I'm gonna do after I'm done doing daily vlogging. Probably something less noisy.
Show it to me. Show me.
But I'm thinking about what to do after I finish doing daily vlogs. Cause I'm thinking maybe after 1,000 videos, I'm gonna maybe do something like longer form. Maybe about something that I don't know yet, but I'm gonna figure it out. Let's see. I can do so many different things, so many options. So we'll see. But anyways, tired. Oh, steps on the scale. 227. It's a long way from 222, at least in my mind. Because the goal is to be under 220. So working on that. I know exactly why it says that. Food has been extra delicious lately. So I gotta get better, stay in that calorie budget that Noom gives me. And if no one knew that, that's what I've been using. I've been using Noom, which does help, but you have to practice the the lessons and pay attention. I think I may even try something different after that. Still do calorie counting, but just a different app because you have to like keep paying for Noom or whatever. But it's pretty good, and I liked it so far on this journey. October, which is coming up, that's when I first, I think, started it. So that's going to be coming to a close soon. It's definitely supposed to be like 170 something like that. But again, it's a journey. Everybody's journey is different, and I just got to keep trying. I'll get there eventually. But anyways, I'm tired. I'm gonna call it a night. So good night.